What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to go over a little campaign overview and talk about why Facebook is a clown show. Anyway, so here we go. I got this account here has 10 grand over the weekend, 4K today. Good profit margins. Yesterday we were at about 2K profit. We don't calculate the profit till about the day after. So yesterday was about 2K profit on that 6K. Very, very nice. Doing well. That account's going well. That's on Facebook traffic, so can't complain that much. Here is another campaign that we've been running. This one we've been running for a while. This one got wrapped up in the last round of Facebook bans for whatever reason, but we did get it up and running in another account, and we are starting to slowly get it scaled up. We've been having ads rejected and other BS, which is the ads are completely compliant. It's just a clown show over there right now. I'm really not sure what's going on with those guys. But you know, it is what it is. We'll fight through it. We've been through this before. It is what it is. So we do have a third campaign on ClickBank we fired up. This campaign is looking really good. We're at about 100% ROI for the last 4 days in a row. Going to start to scale this one up. The one I was running is the one I think is causing the problems. Okay, so let's get started on the problems here. You can see here in the business manager, I have a couple of these have been restricted for a while. This one just recently got restricted because one of the ad accounts was shared to another business manager and was running the campaign, which was a Giddy Up product I was running, and that I think the product all of a sudden became an unwanted product by the Facebook police. Okay, I'm not exactly sure how they determine that. It would be sure nice if they would just reject the ads and then I keep the business manager, but that's just not how they do things. They just shut down the whole business manager and you lose. We had 2 campaigns running out of one business manager and we lost both campaigns. We have since got the one back up and running. It hasn't been easy. We've been dealing with ad rejections that, the ads are compliant. It's just a lot of bot mishaps on Facebook right now. So whatever's going on, I think with the political ads and Facebook trying to utilize their bots to AI to get some of these problem accounts out of there. It's affecting the people that aren't problems like us. Okay, so it's very frustrating. So this one's been gone for a while. This one's been gone for a while, but this one, okay, not even running traffic, just banned it for no reason. Okay, so the fan page for that one product, the Giddy Up product that I think they ultimately decided wasn't a product they wanted on their platform. The fan page for that was housed in this business manager, and that fan page got restricted, but then I appealed it and that got put back right away. Now this business manager is completely banned and it hasn't even run any traffic, so go figure. Okay, this one I had set up after the initial account. Well, the first one that got banned was this one, and I didn't know why, but I think it was traced back to that one, the product. Okay, whenever they decided that product was going to be banned, I'm pretty sure they went in and just banned everything that was associated with that product. Okay, and I ran this product now for over 4 months profitably, and I was just getting ready to kind of kill it into the fall season when things get better, especially for an e-com product. And for whatever reason, it's just destroyed all my business managers now, just out of the blue. No warning, just out of the blue. They can't just reject the ads like you'd think a normal human being would do. Just reject the ads if you don't want to run the product, no problem. I'll figure it out. I'll find another product. I'll find another offer to promote. But instead they just banned the whole business manager and just ruined my life when it comes to that. So then this one here, I had set up a whole new business manager after my main one went down, which I'm going to show you here in a second. And I ran this product. I got it up to I went from 0 to over 20. I went to 2,100 in sales, which was about $150 in profit. It wasn't a huge profit margin, but it was still profitable in 2 days. And then the third day I was running, I was actually a little bit negative the third day, and I was going to be trimming some ad sets on the 4th day and hopefully get back to profitability. And they banned the whole business manager. So that's been gone since about a week. This one's been gone for a long time. This one never ran any traffic and has been gone for the longest time. I never even set up an ad account in this, so there's absolutely no reason why that one should be banned, but it is. And they, it's like under final review. But this one was my main one. I had 2 campaigns running out of this one, and I'd been running the same campaigns for months. Okay, same exact campaigns, same exact ads, everything the same. And out of the blue, they just banned it. Okay, and it started with this one here, and then it went to this one. And once this one went down, I set up this one, and then they banned this one. So I'm pretty sure this is the product that's causing this. Okay, I don't see another really way. I can't really tell you what's causing it 100%. I don't know the back door of Facebook, but I do know that I've been running the damn product for 4 months without issue, and all of a sudden anything that's kind of attached to that product has been banned now. Now, what's weird about, it's funny that I filmed this video today. There's another ad account inside. I think it's inside this one. It's inside one of these, and that account had some of that particular product set up, and for some reason they approve ads of that product today, give the account back. It wasn't a business manager account, it was just an ad account. They give the account back, and then on top of that, I got emails showing that they were rejecting all the ads inside this one. Okay, for that same product, they're rejecting the ads. Now this is still banned. And then I got a bunch of emails, a whole bunch of them all at once, that said the ads were approved, and the business manager is still banned. Freaking clown show, man! It's a clown show. I can't describe it any other way. So I'm getting emails saying that all the ads are rejected. Okay, I'm thinking maybe they're just going to reject the ads like you would think they should do, and give me the business manager back, and then I can resume running the other campaign that was running just fine out of there, and then they don't give it back, and then all of a sudden there's a bunch of now approved ads, and I still don't have the business manager back. So I don't know what the heck is going on behind the scenes over there, but it's very frustrating, okay? Because, I'm obviously not probably going to, if I do get some of these business managers back, which I think I probably will, I don't know, we'll see. I think this one should come back, this one should come back, and for sure this one should come back. This one, they determined it was the final countdown here. They said they said their decision is final. So, it says this is our final decision. Okay, so that one's probably not coming back. But this one wasn't even running traffic. That's what's crazy. It had an ad account that was partnered through another business manager, the other one, and that account was running traffic through that business manager, but not through this business manager, and this one got banned. So I don't know, man. I'm about ready to kind of throw in the towel here with this Facebook crap. Now, we got 3 campaigns that are running and making money. So I'm not, I'm not like throwing in the towel completely on Facebook, but it's frustrating, to see like all these things just get banned. All that hard work I put in to build those campaigns up and the ads, and I got everything working. The campaign's been running well for me, making me money, and then it just disappears like that. So my question to you is, in the audience here, what do you want me to focus on the next couple months? I am going to be running some YouTube traffic, especially for my new course, DES. And do you want me to focus on Facebook on this channel, or do you want me to go ahead and start doing some more work on Google? Because I have no problem switching over some affiliate stuff to Google and trying to crack that platform. I've run Google Ads before, so I know the platform pretty well, and I feel pretty comfortable on it. So I'm pretty sure if I take my marketing skills over to Google, maybe even YouTube or Display Network or Google AdWords or whatever, we might be able to turn it into something over there as well. Or do you want me to continue to focus on Facebook and go down that road? I do like Facebook for testing, just because on a low budget you can kind of see if something's working. So I do believe that's pretty solid. One thing I wanted to show you guys here too is I have my private group here for my students that are in the digital entrepreneur system, and we've got 89 students that are actually jumped in on the beta program, and I let another like 20 of my students in. So some of the students are in like just getting week 6 right now, and some of the students are in week 5, 4, depending on when they signed up. And we don't really teach the students on how to run traffic until like week 4. Okay, so they're really probably not launching ads till like week 5. So like some of the students are just now getting into the point of like actually running traffic. And the cool thing is, what we're seeing is actually some results here. Okay, this is Brian here. He's got $725 on today. Okay, so it's always good to see some student results. And he told us he was like $500 profit. So crushing the game. Obviously, our training works. Clearly, it's definitely working. And then he's got another post here that was the same person. But there's another post from I believe here's another one here from him. That was him when he first cracked it. And then there's another couple on here that I've seen. A couple of students are finally getting to the point where they're running traffic, which is always nice to see. Here's another one here. This guy, Jeet, 475 here. It looks like he's a little inconsistent, but he's definitely onto something. He's probably going to turn this into a nice campaign. He's definitely onto something. And then there was one other one here. Terry here's got his first sale. So yeah, so our system's definitely working, and it's cool. That's why I put a beta program together, because I want to make sure I'm going to be surveying the students at the end of this thing and find out if there's anything that they feel like they missed, or they're not understanding. But I put a lot of work into this program. Like the actual program itself is an 8-week program, and I'm still working on week 7 right now. I'm actually going to be filming some of these videos tonight. But you can see, just like this is week number 6 here, and everything's well done with like PDFs that go along with the videos, and you can see this is just 1 week here. Okay, look at all the scaling methods in week number 6. Okay, we're talking like 15 different scaling methods. I mean, Mark's doing 5, 6, 7,000 a day, and we got his scaling method in here. So that his scaling method alone is worth the cost of this whole course for an experienced marketer. So it's a really well done course. I mean, I even put a special bonus section in here for e-com spying. I have we're starting to get some of the testimonials now. So I got like the first sales section here. I got a couple in there. And then today we're going to be adding Brian's first $500 day. His first $100 day is already in there, and then we got this comes with the Pinterest course as well, and the bonuses I have on here were the Be a Vendor bonus package. This was actually a $2,500 course on its own, so that's part of the bonus program. And then the Q&As, obviously, we're on week number 5 now coming up. I put an extra couple case studies in here. I got follow-along campaigns. When I started the Kylo campaign, I filmed everything I did from day 1 and turned that into a $300,000 plus campaign with a decent profit margin. Okay, and I did another couple ClickBank offers here. I did follow-alongs on for you guys. But yeah, I mean, the course is extremely well done. There's no other course on the market that's even close, especially at the price point we're offering this at. Okay, so we're actually working on a pretty cool setup to make this like a business in a box, where you buy in, you're going to get the funnel builder, you're going to get the email system, a decent amount of emails for a fair price, less than what you can actually buy it for from the place where we're going to kind of cut this white label deal. And you're going to be able to build this system out basically from within our CRM. So it's going to be like a business in a box, more than likely. We're still kind of trying to go back and forth with this white label solution. It's a software as a service group, and if we can cut a deal and get it to the price point where we feel like it's a good deal, not only will you get this world-class education system, but you'll get the funnel builder, you'll get the email CRM, you'll get the CRM with retargeting, and literally you'll be like probably better than 95% of the marketers out there just by going through this course and using this system that we're going to be putting together for you guys with the funnels, the working landing pages, everything. Okay, so it's pretty slick. So if you're interested in this, you could technically buy it right now because it's just about ready to go. It is a drip-fed course, so you get week 1 and 0 when you start, and then you get week number 2 after 7 days, and then so on. So if you are interested in this, just email me at support@progresscollege.com, and I can go ahead and get you a buy link. But I don't have my funnel built yet for the actual course yet, because I'm still working on this deal to put this thing as a business in a box. But I'm pretty close on that, so hopefully I can get that deal closed and just make this just an amazing course product, and it's going to kind of be all bundled up into one just amazing course. And the results are there. They're already proof that the students are getting results, and this is just in the beta. Okay, I can only imagine what this thing's going to be like over the next 6 months to a year. It's just going to be a life-changing opportunity for people. I mean, for the price of a cost of a crappy community college course, you can buy this whole business in a box with a PhD level education in internet marketing. So it's like a no-brainer in my opinion. But anyway, if you guys are interested in that, just go out. I'll put a link below for support@progresscollege.com. Just send me an email if you're interested in buying it. I could even send you the one of the original webinars I did for the course with everything. I have some links to that. It's not technically up for sale right now, but I do have a buy page if you're interested in buying it. But I'll go ahead and probably get this thing fully launched once I'm done with the course material and I got the business in a box thing figured out, and I got to build the funnels out and whatnot. So probably later in the month, we'll get this thing live and get it out there. We're going to probably have it up on ClickBank. We're going to have it up on MaxWeb, Digistore24. We're probably going to run the JV circuit as well. So it's going to be a big course once this thing starts rolling, just because it's so well done. Like, there's no better course on the market. You see our numbers. We're crushing it. We have 3 campaigns running on ClickBank right now, all making money. And, we have students making money right now. So it's a good feeling to actually see the results and the hard work I put in since May building this thing actually coming to fruition. So Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like this video if you found it valuable. If you found the if you found the Facebook clown show thing kind of funny, leave me a like on the video, because it is a clown show over there right now. But make sure you subscribe and bang the notifications bell. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later.